We're gonna head hunting this morning. It is 31 degrees right now. My truck's showing, but my hunt stand app shows that it's 27 or 28. I believe the hunt stand app more. It's showing chance of snow from now throughout the rest of the day. I ought to be at home in the bed, but I don't know. This seems like it might be a once in a lifetime type of thing to go deer hunt South Mississippi with some snow on the ground, if it falls and sticks, that is. But we're gonna be there anyway. We'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna go hunt power line, pipeline, gas line, something. I'm gonna find me a spot where I can get up on the side of a ridge on one or the other, pipeline, power line, something, and hunt something where some sun's gonna hit. And I think when that sun pops out this morning and hits the side of that ridge or bottom, crossing that power line or pipeline, probably see pretty good ways down one, and that sun hits it pretty good. Maybe some deer will come out there and hang out. I know where a spot's at where a creek crosses a power line, and I think I can get south of that creek crossing, looking north down that power line, and be able to see a pretty good ways. Plus I'll have that creek 200 yards from me to the north of me, and it's down, way down this bottom. So maybe I'll catch something crossing in between me and that creek, or just coming to get some sun, get warmed up out in the open. So we'll head that way and see if we can do it without freezing. We'll see y'all when we get to where we're going. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, I know I don't have any decent light, but it's just started breaking daylight here, so I'm heading down this power line. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get up here within 150 yards of this creek and hope that this power line lays out right to where I can see in between me and the creek, and maybe 100 or so back to the south of me. Anyhow, it is snowing already. Started snowing on our drive up here, so I don't know, it'd be pretty neat to get a video of a deer in the snow. But anyhow, I'm gonna get on down here and get set down and get back with y'all when it gets daylight. I made it down here to where I'm gonna be. Probably within 115 yards of that creek. It's to my west, back to the east toward the truck. I can see pretty decent. I really wish I'd have brought something to get up off the ground. I thought I was gonna be able to see better on the ground. I didn't even bring a stand with me. But my father-in-law's on the other side. He's probably 1,000 yards that way on this same power line here. And he just shot a few minutes ago. He said he had 3 bucks chasing does across the power line. Shot at the best one running. Says he's not for sure if he got a good hit on him or not, but it's a pretty good sign. He's already seeing bucks, seeing deer in general. Maybe we'll see something on this side. My dang GoPro, I just put a fresh battery in it right before I left the truck, and it's already saying it's dead. Guess them GoPro batteries do not like the cold. Anyway, we're gonna sit here a little while, I'm gonna sit here at least until he's ready to go or tells me he killed that deer, one or the other. It's cold, on and off snowing. We'll see, maybe we'll kill something. At least see something. What? What? Just shot a buck. I don't know if I got him on camera or not. He snuck up on me. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm shaking. It's cold. The snow is really coming down right now. I just happened to look up right here. He was 20 yards. I couldn't tell how big he was at first, but he finally stepped out into this opening and I was able to see him. It's a pretty decent little buck. I'm gonna get up. He's dead right there. I'm gonna get up, go check him out. I just got down here to him. What a friggin' hunt. I was not expecting that. I mean, he walked out 20 yards from me right there and turned and was walking away. Ooh. All these little pines sound like they're gonna fall over in this wind. Keeps making me nervous. Anyway, I was not expecting that. It is snowing its tail off. I just killed a buck in South Mississippi and it is just pouring snow. I mean, it's beautiful. There he is. How awesome is that? I kind of shot him a little bit back, but as you'll be able to tell in that video, he was walking away from me and he wasn't turning. I wasn't gonna give him no room. How awesome is that? South Mississippi, public land, buck in the snow. It doesn't get any better than that. This is probably gonna be one of my top 10 ever days of hunting right here. I mean, just look at this. This ain't something I've been able to see many times in my life right here. I've seen snow a handful of times in other states, but it's not something I've ever had the opportunity to hunt. I really, to be honest, didn't feel like getting up today and coming out here in this mess and freezing. But I told Anna, it's a once in a lifetime thing here to be able to hunt at home in the snow, in the rut. So I drug myself out of bed this morning, come out here, and it paid off big time. What an awesome hunt. I sure hope that Browning camera on my barrel got him. I'm not sure. We'll see though. I can't get over it. All right, y'all, there he is. How awesome. Oh, 7 point. Pretty similar. Well, I guess that deer I killed the other day was more like a 6, trying to be a 7. This one is a 7 point. Looks like he might be a little heavier deer than that other one too. Like I said, I really was not looking forward to getting up this morning and coming out here in this mess. I was wanting to stay home and play in it with Walker. But now, toughed it out. Got a buck to bring home now and show Walker in the snow. It's amazing. Seems like the days you don't want to get up, don't want to do anything, is the days you need to. That's what it seems like. Seems like a handful of deer I've killed in the past are days I didn't want to get up, or places I really didn't want to hunt. I just went. And this today here, I've never hunted this. Never. I just figured with this cold, you know, I get on this big open power line here and see what would cross it. And I just happened to luck up and sit down in the perfect spot. I mean, that's all there is to it. It ain't, there's really, to me, it seems like there's no skill in just sitting in the right spot. It's just luck. All there is. As a matter of fact, I sat down about 75 yards on the other side of this power line up that way, 75 yards on the other side of where I was at. Because, man, I don't like this. I'm going to move. And I moved to where I was at. Shot this deer right here at 30 yards, or maybe even less. But it just goes to show, just being here, it's all it amounts to. You just got to be there. Right place at the right time is all it boils down to. And we just got lucky this morning. Right place at the right time. Get this weather, a double-digit temperature change from yesterday. It's the rut, and I want to say we're in a minor move time this morning. You got the 3 key factors. They're here right now, and look what else was here. I know this ain't gonna be no real fancy video. I didn't even bring my big camera. My GoPro's dead. I ended up filming on my phone and had this little Browning on my barrel. Hopefully it got what I needed it to get. But anyway, there he is. Like I say on my videos, if you hadn't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us. It'll help us out. This is my second buck in 4 days. I killed one more. So anyway, I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but however it winds up turning out, I hope you enjoy it. I hope it gives you a little bit of motivation just to be in the woods. Just got to be there. That's all it is. Like I said in my last video, I've been having a tough hunting season. Haven't really seen many deer. Definitely hadn't killed anything, but you see things change in a heartbeat. Things change quickly. Just, you know, cold weather during the rut, hunt the time you can. And I've been in the woods every chance I could. That's all it takes. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Give us a like, comment. Have you ever killed a buck in the snow in a place that doesn't snow normally? What do y'all think about deer in the south in the snow? Obviously, I just killed one, but how do you feel like they move? Do they move good, bad, better than not? Does it slow them down a little bit? Let me know what y'all think about that. But I'm gonna head over here and like I said, my father-in-law shot at a buck running. We're gonna go see if we can find it, and we'll be back to get this one here shortly, and we'll be headed out. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one.